Hello everyone, this is George from Diego Remodeling. What we're doing here is a plumbing repair. We're installing a new 2-inch drain on this balcony. You can see this leaks like a sieve. You got all this coating on the inside and there's no cover on it. So we're going to fix that up. See our next video as we install the new 2-inch drain. Hello everyone, this is George from Diego Remodeling. What here is a total balcony repair. In this balcony we resheeted it. And what I like to show you guys is this is the way the drain looked before. It leaked like a sieve. And this is the way it looks now. From this to this.